Alright, we're going to go ahead and go for number 3. Class is about to start, but I think I can do this. So, challenge number 3, we've got to make this shape, update the eye properties, and find the center of gravity. So I'm going to go ahead and close 2. I've got my project still activated, so I'm going to open challenge 3 and ready to go. So now what I need to do is get it to look like this. So that first part is grounded already, so this part I can't move, this part I can, so this is what I'm moving. So I need to flip this up and then line it up. So if I constrain this, I'm going to mate that face to this face first, click apply, and then I'm going to flush this face with this face, so it'll line it up, and then one more, and I've got to click apply in between each one. Now these faces are flush. If I press cancel, I can no longer move this because it's completely constrained. So I can go up to my eye properties, click physical, update, and get my Z. And that should give you your correct answer.